Have you ever looked at new car prices and felt like you were being robbed in broad daylight? I know I did. I was planning to buy my first real car after years of driving hand-me-downs and using rideshare apps. Naturally, I wanted something reliable, comfortable, and good on gas. I considered going brand new because I thought that was the safest option. No surprises, no wear and tear. But once I saw the price tag, I couldn't believe it. The new Toyota Camry I wanted was over $30,000, with all the features I liked. That's when I started seriously researching certified used cars. And after a few weeks of digging, comparing, and test driving, I found the perfect one. A certified pre-owned 2020 Toyota Camry XLE with just 22,000 miles. I paid a little over $21,000. The best part, I got all the features I wanted, a great warranty, and saved almost $9,000 in the process. Here's exactly how I did it, and the 10 reasons why buying that certified Camry saved me thousands. Number 10, depreciation didn't hit me like a truck. One of the smartest reasons I chose a certified used Toyota Camry was to avoid the massive loss in value that hits brand new cars. A 2023 Camry I looked at was listed around $30,000, but the moment you drive a new car off the lot, it starts losing value fast. In just the first year, that car could drop by $6,000 to $8,000, even if you hardly drive it. That kind of loss didn't make sense to me. So instead, I went with a certified 2020 Camry that already went through that initial drop in value. I got a car that looked, drove, and felt almost new, but without overpaying for it. Someone else took the financial hit, not me. It was like buying a nearly new car at a huge discount, and that alone saved me thousands right from the start. No regrets with that choice. Number 9, I got Toyota's certified warranty for free. A big reason I considered buying new was peace of mind. I didn't want a car that would need repairs right away, but Toyota's certified used program surprised me. My Camry came with a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty included in the price. That means if something major goes wrong, it's covered. I didn't have to pay extra for that coverage. It's all part of Toyota's certified package, and honestly, it made the deal feel almost too good to be true. Number 8. It was fully inspected and reconditioned. You know that uneasy feeling when buying a used car from a private seller? You're not sure what's been done to the car, what problems are hiding under the hood, or if the seller is being honest. That's what I wanted to avoid. But with a certified car, every detail matters. Toyota's program includes a 160-point inspection, and they recondition the car before putting it up for sale. That means checking the brakes, tires, fluids, battery, engine, lights, you name it. My Camry felt brand new because it was thoroughly checked and cleaned up by trained mechanics before I ever saw it. 7. I got high-end features for a lower price. Here's the part that made me smile every time I got into the car. I could actually afford the XLE trim. That's the luxury version of the Camry. Leather seats, a sunroof, heated front seats, a touchscreen with navigation, and even wireless phone charging. If I had bought a new XLE, I'd be well over $34,000. But because I went certified used, I got all of that for around $21,000. If I had bought new, I probably would have settled for the base model with cloth seats and basic features. 6. I got a lower insurance rate. This one surprised me. I called my insurance company for quotes before buying, and the certified used Camry came in cheaper to insure than a brand new one. The reason? New cars cost more to replace or repair, so insurance premiums are higher. Since mine was technically used, even though it felt new, I saved about $35 a month on insurance. That adds up to over $400 a year, just by choosing certified used over new. 5. No sketchy private sellers to deal with. I've heard horror stories about people buying used cars through Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. People lie about accidents, roll back mileage, or try to push off their car problems onto someone else. I didn't want to risk getting scammed or stuck with a lemon. Buying my certified Camry through a Toyota dealership gave me confidence. The car came with a full vehicle history report, and the dealer even showed me receipts for regular maintenance. I didn't have to guess. Everything was clear, upfront, and handled professionally. 4. I had financing options like a new car buyer. I was worried I'd have to pay high interest rates just because the car was used, but that wasn't the case. Since it was certified and from an official Toyota dealership, I qualified for low-interest financing through Toyota Financial. My rate ended up being just 3.1%, which is similar to what many new car buyers get. I also didn't need a huge down payment. That made it affordable and smooth, and I didn't feel like I was getting second-rate treatment just because I wasn't buying new. 3. It looked brand new? Seriously. People still ask me if my Camry is brand new. That's how clean it looks. The paint is flawless, the interior is spotless, and the tires and brakes were almost like new. The previous owner clearly took care of it, and the dealership made sure it looked perfect before I bought it. When I compare it side by side with a 2023 Camry, you honestly can't tell the difference unless you're a car expert. I didn't have to compromise on appearance at all. It didn't feel like I was settling. I was getting quality without the extra cost. 2. Maintenance costs were predictable. One of the biggest worries when buying any car, especially used, is the cost of unexpected repairs. You never really know what's been done to the car or what might go wrong next. But with my certified pre-owned Toyota Camry, that wasn't an issue at all. It came with a full inspection and had brand new filters, fresh oil, and new wiper blades installed before I picked it up. Even better, it included free roadside assistance for a full year. So if I lock myself out, get a flat tire, or the battery dies, I've got help with just one call. Another thing I really liked was the option to add a prepaid maintenance plan. I signed up for one that covers routine services like oil changes, tire rotations, and inspections. That way I don't have to guess or worry about budgeting for those things later. It's all set up and handled on a schedule. Knowing exactly what my car will cost me each year in maintenance is a huge relief. I don't lose sleep over surprise bills or breakdowns, and that peace of mind is worth every penny. 1. I kept my savings and still got a great car. At the end of the day, the biggest reason this worked for me was simple. I kept thousands of dollars in my pocket. I could have financed a brand new Camry for a higher monthly payment and added years to my loan, but by buying certified used, I got a great deal, paid off my loan faster, and avoided extra stress. I didn't feel like I was sacrificing quality or reliability. I got the exact car I wanted with better features for way less money and no regrets. So if you're on the fence about buying new versus certified used, I hope this helped you see what's possible. The certified route gave me everything I wanted, a reliable, safe, comfortable car with modern features, without destroying my budget. It felt like the smart, balanced choice. I'm not saying certified used is perfect for everyone, but if you're looking for value and peace of mind, it's worth serious consideration. Thanks for hanging out with me and listening to my story. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who's car shopping. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real-life tips and stories just like this. I'll catch you in the next one.